In this video, I'm going to walk you through the simple step of deleting messages on Signal Private Messenger. If this video sounds helpful to you, then make sure you stick till the end and let's get right in. Let's head over to the Signal app. Now if you want to delete an entire chat on your Signal app, you just need to tap and hold on the chat. A menu will open up where you'll see an option of delete. You can just tap on the delete option and it's going to say the conversation will be permanently deleted. You just tap on delete and this conversation will be entirely deleted. Secondly, you can also delete individual chats if you want. So open up the chat and you can just tap and hold the message that you want to delete and you'll have an option of delete right here. Tap on delete and again delete on this device and the message will be instantly deleted. So those are the two things that you can delete. Either you can delete individual messages or you can also delete the entire chat. But however, deleting a chat or individual messages won't delete the chat for the other person that you messaged. It will only delete it from your side. So that's the thing that you need to keep in mind. And yeah, that's how you delete messages on Signal Private Messenger. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and also hit that notification bell so you get notified for more interesting videos. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.